Hello everybody, there is a great and more simple way of using mathematical operations. But let me show you, for example, if we want to add some numbers, we add this block, add block. Let's try and find the multiply block. And right now what we can do is we can right click over here and convert our block to be to integer. Same we can do for our multiply integer. And here we can add, for example, 3 and 3, and those 3 we can multiply by 2. So this is a mathematical operation that we can do. So we have 6 over here, and we are multiplying 6 by 2, and we are having 12. But there is a simple and more easy way to do that, and this is through math expressions. So right click and search for math expression and add math expression. And here you can just type your math expression. So what we need is 3 plus 3. I put brackets, and then we need to multiply it by 2. Click enter, and the return value will do the same as this block. But this is automatically creating the block for you. So if I double click, you can see the block is the same, but it is more efficient and more easy way of creating math expressions, and you can just add on top of it. So let's say we want everything from here to be also divided by 2. And done, we have the math expression ready to go, and the calculations will be from our return value. Another thing that you can add here is you can add variables. 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. And we want to add another variable, but we don't know what the variable is and we want to get it from our game. So you just add plus. Let's say our variable is called walk speed. I press enter, and now you have your variable walk speed. So let me create another variable, and let's name it, let's make it float swim speed. All right. And we can add variables that we've already created. And I'm going to put the name of the variable that we've created, swim speed. I'm going to hit enter. And right now what our mathematical expression will do is it will do 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Then we're going to add our walk speed. And let me create one more variable, walk speed. I'm going to connect my walk speed over here. And I'm going to set my walk speed to 10. And after our walk speed, everything over here is calculated. We're going to add our swim speed, which we can define 8. So this is how easily you can create mathematical operations through math expressions, and I highly suggest you to use this block in order for you to be very flexible and use every parameter in your game into your mathematical expressions. Also, one thing to bear in mind right now, a mistake that I've intentionally make just to show you how this works. So right now I named the unknown variable walk speed, and I named my variable walk speed, which is a bit wrong, and it will break the connections after you restart your Unreal Engine. What you should do is this variable should have different name than the ones that is created over here, because right now it is getting the variable over here, but we've created the variable here in the expression before creating it here in the variable section. So I'm just gonna reset Unreal Engine and show you how this will bug the system. Now you can clearly see the problem that we have. Right now the walk speed is getting from here and the connections is broken. So if you are doing that, keep in mind that right now the walk speed will be gotten from the value over here and the connection will break. And if this is something that you want, it is cool, okay, but if you don't want this, keep in mind to have those variables with different names. Like for example, this could be only speed, and as you can see when we change it, we are also changing it over here. And I'm gonna put the values again. So I'm gonna put plus walking speed. All right. And I'm gonna add to this swim speed. And right now everything is working correctly, and I can connect my speed over here and it will not break when we restart our Unreal Engine. This is something I did intentionally just to show you how things can go wrong if you're using the same naming, and sometimes you can create bugs that are hard to find. So thank you guys for watching this short tip. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed any of the videos on this channel, and if you're a fan, could you do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button? Surprisingly, 85% of the people who watched my videos are unsubscribed. Your quick action of hitting that subscribe button will support this channel, and as it grows, we will be able to share even more free content with you.